Okay, what should you do if your child refuses to use the potty and you enter into a power struggle? First of all, you want to make sure that you are the one that's in control. You want to give the direction to your child. You want to tell your child, okay, it's time to go potty. If your child refuses to go, if he has a tantrum, if he talks back, for whatever reason, you don't want that to let him get out of using the potty. No matter his behavior, you've given him a direction, he has to follow through with that direction. So whether he's having a tantrum on the floor or whether he's refusing to move, once you tell him it's time to go sit on the potty, you need to help him get himself to the potty to be successful on the potty. So it's important that you don't let your child be in control of the situation. While he's learning this important life skill, you want to give him the tools that he needs to be able to be successful, but you also want to make sure that you are in control and that he learns to respond to your direction. Your child may ask for the reward without going to the bathroom. This happens a lot, but this also means that your child is highly motivated by his reward. If that's the case, just remind him, okay, all you have to do is go pee in the potty and then you can get your reward. So those are some great ways to avoid a power struggle so that it doesn't interfere with potty training.